Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. And first of all, I know Halloween is over. It's been a couple days, but I really wanted to do a video on this little project, and I just ran out of time, so I thought I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. And maybe you're still working on some overdue Halloween swaps or something, but I use this collection here, the Beautiful Night collection. I use this die by Bella that I picked up at the Scrap Expo last year. The year before, I used this Biggs Sizzix die for the pillow box, and it is number 655363. And I used this die, which I picked up at a really good deal at the Scrap Expo, I think last year. It's a Lawn Fawn like accessory die, and I picked it up for $1.99 last year. So I had not used it, and then I did not use this die. I planned to use it, but I didn't. So okay, so those are the dies that I used, and paper, and these are the little pillow box treat containers that I created with the little bat wings, and I thought they were so cute. And it does just wrap around, which you can cover or add a little like handmade by stamp or something, or a sentiment on the back, but I just left them like this. And this is one. I added an ephemera piece from the collection and a little bow to the skeleton, and that's it. Really simple but cute, I think. And this one, super cute. That die cuts out the little face for the bat, so I used the little mouth part and just decorated it up like this. Really simple. Added a bow to the top. And then this one here, same thing, just added the bat wings and a little chipboard spider from Target and a little tag cut apart from the collection that says scary and bling, and some silver metallic thread on the bottom there. So those are the three that I made. And I did have a little tip I wanted to share, and that's why I was going to still do this video, because I wanted to, just share that the die, the batwing die, is a little too big for this pillow box that I have, and it's a little too small for another pillow box die that I have. But here's a tip. I don't know if you can see that. I drew some little pencil lines here, and that's where it normally folds in. So the wings were just too long. They fold right about here. And so it was a little too big for this pillow box die. But all I did was I scored another line. I scored about 1/8 of an inch line into the wing area this way on both sides, and then I just I cut it here, and let me see, I'm all over the place. So I cut it, and then the one I just glued it like this, and then the other one I glued it like this, so that it would meet up pretty much in the center there. And then this excess, you just cut it off. So that's just a little tip. If the dies don't fit, or it's an accessory die, you can always kind of modify it and play around with it a little, and it may work out. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little project share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.